Thomas, please share the screen again. And I'm sorry, this is due to the maybe the meeting was already 1 hour ago.
Oh, that could be. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yes. Then I have my files here. The thing I do, I just click here, copy, and then put it in here, there, and then press here. And then I get this one.
Okay, fine. So where did you save the file? Because if you can just create a folder on the desktop and show me exactly what's going on, I think you have the Excel file on the very desktop folder.
Yeah.
Can you create a folder in desktop?
When you say clean the Excel folder, what do you mean?
Where
Yeah.
did you save this Excel file?
Just on the desk, show you, see if I can share the other screen. Give me a second, then share. You see here, this one.
Okay, just create a folder on the desktop and paste the files in a folder.
As I delete that one, into what folder?
Just create another folder just for the testing purpose. Create a test folder here on desktop.
This one?
Can you just shift this file into a empty folder, blank folder on your desktop?
No, zip it. Oh, of course. Yeah.
Don't need to zip it. Just shift this file to a blank folder.
Oh, a blank folder. I see.
Okay.
Yes.
So fine. Copy all those files in that folder as well.
Okay. So you want to take.
Just copy the template folder because the files need to be in a folder.
Okay, I see. So I should take this one and put it here. Yes. Yes.
Yes, fine. Now make sure that you copy the folder path into
Yes.
the file.
So I got
The setup is ready. Make sure to open the file, paste the folder path.
Yes. And then try to generate.
Yes. Let's see how this works.
No, doesn't work.
Just press the debug button. Here we have same line that causing the problem. Let us test another one. Just close this file, close everything. Just open that folder we are in. Select both of them. Copy it C drive.
Yes. Yes, I know what
Just here.
you. Yeah. 2 seconds. Yes. You think the path name is too long? Let's see this. Then I do
Yes.
this. Yeah.
That is fine. Make sure that you have opened the
Yes.
correct file.
It's it's working. It's the length of the path that must be the problem, right?
So this should not be the problem. Let's see.
No.
Now you can just create a shortcut of that folder onto desktop, or maybe you can just create a shortcut of that Excel file on the folder, maybe whatever you want to have that, but you just perform that operation on the
It
C
works.
drive.
Oh, that one. Yes, I see. So I take this one.
Just
I take this one here, the long name.
yes.
Yes, and
Just
see what that do. I don't think this work. Oh, it worked.
problem was actually on the desktop.
What if can I try one thing more?
Yeah, sure.
If it's just to be testing, if I take this one needs to be done 2 seconds.
On OneDrive, due to the internet connection speed, it takes some time to generate the files.
Yeah, that's fine. I just try to I just close it at
The problem is that when the macro runs, it takes time to close.
Oh, okay.
If you want to close it, forcefully close this one.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, that is. I want to test if I lay the file, if I lay it in the SharePoint, what would happen? Just to see if it's only on the desktop or is it everywhere if I'm in the SharePoint. So if I take and then do this. No, it doesn't work. Okay, Stellar need to be on my C drive.
That is the only option right now.
Yeah. That's fine for now. I just need to know how it works, so that's fine. I will do that.
Okay, if you need anything else, just message me on the Fiverr. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.